So today we are going to proceed again the sample paper, CBSE sample paper, question number 21 it is. Come. Question is 3 bells ring at an interval of 4, 7 and 14 minutes. All 3 bells rang at 6 am. When the 3 bells will ring together next. Okay, so what we'll do? We'll first find the LCM of 4, 7 and 14 minutes. So LCM of 4, 7 and 14 will be what? So in graph you can show the LCM also. So LCM is 2 into 7 into 2, that is 28. 28 minutes is the LCM. So required time will be what? 6 am plus 28 minutes, that is 6:28 am. Okay, now next question. Have you noted, everyone? Everyone noted? Now next question. Find the point on x-axis. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 2, -2 and -4, 2.
Sir, which is equidistant?
Which is equidistant from the point 2, -2 and -4, 2. Are you doing? Aditya, are you doing? Have you listened to the question or should I repeat? Okay. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the points 2, -2 and -4, 2. Yes, what is the answer? 0, 3/2. Any other answer?
3, 0. So 5, 0.
3 answers. My God. Yes, you. You have not told yet.
Sir, 2.
Only 2.
0 and
You say?
-1, -2.
The point is on the x-axis. You know, every point on the x-axis is x, 0. It means that you have to find the value of it. Yes.
-1 or 0?
-1 and 0. Okay. So let us check. We write let a point P x, 0 is on x-axis equidistant from the points are A, 2, -2 and B, -4, 2. It means from the diagram you can see here, suppose the point is P here. This is point P, x, 0. P, x, 0 and 2 points are, one point is A, 2, -2 and B is -4, 2. So according to question, this PA will be equal to PB. And what you will do, you will apply the distance formula, right? So you will write according to question, PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. It means that PA square equal to PB square. So why I have done here square? Can anyone say? So that you know the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I have to remove the square root. That's why I have already done the square here. Got it? So what I will write here? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to what? Equal to what? Suppose, see, suppose this is x1 and this is y1, right? Suppose this is x2 and it is y2. This is x3 and it is y3. So what I have written? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Accordingly, what I will write? x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So write everyone, x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. After that, what you will do? You have to substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2. Got it? And then you have to find the solution. See. So what is the value of x2? You will see this is 2 and this is x. So you have to write here 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1. So y2 is minus 2. So write here minus 2. And what is y1? Y1 is 0. Minus 0 whole square equal to. Now see, x3 minus x1. x3 is minus 4 minus and this is x plus y3 minus y1 is y3 is what? 2. 2 minus 0 whole square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now after that, have you noted up to here?
Yes, sir.
Adit?
Yes, sir.
Noted? Okay. So now, what will be this? This is 2 minus x whole square. 2 minus x whole square plus. This is what? Minus 2 minus 0 whole square is what? 4? 4. And after that, minus 4 minus x whole square is nothing but 4 plus x whole square. Why? Minus 4 minus x whole square, I have written 4 plus x whole square. Why? Because when you will take minus common and the square of minus will be plus.
Yes, sir.
And it is plus 2 square, that is 4 again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Both sides you will see there is 4, here is also 4. Cancel. So what you are getting? 2 minus x whole square equal to 4 plus x whole square. Now what you have to expand this formula in the form of a minus b whole square and here a plus b whole square. So this will be a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now see, x square and x square is cancel. What you are getting? You are getting 4 and this 16 will go this side, it will be minus 16 and 8x 4 minus 4x will come this side, it will be plus 4x and this will be 4 minus 16 is what? Minus 12 equal to this is what? 12x. Got it? It means that x equal to what? Minus 12 by 12, this is minus 1. So what is the point on the x-axis? X comma 0, that is minus 1 comma 0. So you write required point is x comma 0, that is minus 1 comma 0. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Understood or not?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone clearly understanding? So your next question is, what is your next question? What I have told you? The next question is p minus 2 comma 5, p minus 2 comma 5 and q 3 comma 2 are 2 points. You have to find the coordinates of the point R on PQ such that condition is given PR equal to Q1, right? So it means clearly if you are understanding that you have to apply the section formula. So let us see. Here we can see that PR by QR equal to 2 by 1, right? So what we are getting here, this is 2 and this is 1. It means that M ratio N equal to 2 ratio 1. Clear? So we know the section formula. According to the section formula, what is the value of x? X equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So you can see what you put in place of m. We will apply here 2, and what is x2? This is x2 3 plus n is what? N is 1, and what is x1? x1 is minus 2, and m plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1. So what will be the value? It will be 2 3 are 6. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So it means you are getting 4 by 3. Clear? Now similarly we will try to find the value of y. You have noted up to here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what I am going to here, I am going to find the value of y. Y will be m y2 plus n y1, right? So you have to put the value. So in place of y2, what you will put? 2. This is 2. And in place of y1, what you will put? 5. So what you are getting? 2 3 are 4 plus 5, 9. 9 by 3. And 3 3 are 9. So this is 3. So your required point is R x comma y is what?
R 4 by 3,
4 by 3
comma 3.
comma 3. Got it? Understanding everyone clearly?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So our next question is find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 minus 3 root 2 and 5 plus 3 root 2. Question number 23. Question number 23. What is given? Given zeros are 5 minus 3 root 2 and 5 plus 3 root 2. See guys, these are the zeros which is given. Okay, when zeros are given, what is the formula to find a quadratic polynomial? You say
x square plus sum of 0 x plus product of 0.
is
No,
correct?
x.
Yes, sir. X.
Okay, so very nice. So formula, see, formula to find a quadratic polynomial is px equal to x square minus sum of zeros, or you can say alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, or whatever you have told, that is correct. Okay, you can use the words sum of zeros and here product of zeros in place of that. So x square minus alpha plus beta means sum of zero. This is the zeros. What we will do here? We will write 5 minus 3 root 2 plus 5 plus 3 root 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then what we'll do? Alpha into beta means product of this. 5 minus 3 root 2 into 5 plus 3 root.
x होगा
Yes?
पहला ब्रैकेट के बाद x.
So minus 3 root 2 and plus 3 root 2 will be cancelled. Okay? So we are getting x square minus 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 10x and this is a minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. So 5 square is 25 and 3 root 2 square is 18. So 25 minus 18 will be 7. So you will write plus 7. So this is your required polynomial. Understood everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone understanding? Noted? Yes.